स्टार्स अपनी मूवीज की तरह अपनी रियल लाइफ में भी करते हैं किसी ना किसी से प्यार, लेकिन अपने रिलेशनशिप का क्यों नहीं करना चाहते खुल्लम खुल्ला इजहार। लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द स्टार्स हु डोंट एडमिट बीइंग लव स्ट्रक। जब अनुष्का शर्मा और न्यूकमर रणवीर की मूवी होने वाली थी रिलीज, एवरीवन वाज श्योर दैट लव वाज ब्रूइंग बिटवीन देम। लेकिन जब बैंड बाजा बारात हिट द थिएटर्स, देयर वर रूमर्स कि ये दोनों हो गए हैं स्प्लिट। जस्ट व्हेन एवरीवन थॉट कि ये मूवी को प्रमोट करने का घिसा पिटा फॉर्मूला था, द सक्सेस ऑफ द मूवी गॉट देम बैक टुगेदर एज लवर्स। फिर दिखने लगे साथ साथ हर रात एट एवरी अदर लॉन्च और पार्टी। लेकिन अपनी रिलेशनशिप की बात नहीं की एडमिट, एज दे डिडंट वांट देयर करियर टू गेट अफेक्टेड। बट एट अ पार्टी दे गॉट ड्रंक और नशे में इनके फीलिंग्स बाहर आ ही गए। When they left the rest of the world aside and smooched. अब जब सब उनकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज और हरकतें देखकर जान चुके हैं that love is in the air, they are trying their best to stay away from media's glare. Just to confuse everyone, Anushka घूम रही है everywhere with Ranbir Kapoor and people have got trapped in her trick by believing that she's no longer Ranbir's chick. अब अनुष्का सबको कह रही है कि रणवीर इंडस्ट्री में उनका सबसे अच्छा दोस्त है। We wonder why घूम फिर के सब स्टार्स की बात just good friends पर ही क्यों आ जाती है? The couple who started dating during Kamine, Priyanka Chopra और शाहिद कपूर ने कभी अपने रिलेशनशिप को कोई नाम नहीं दिया, and this state continues to remain the same till date. बार-बार आर्ग्यूमेंट्स और ब्रेकअप के बाद every time they seem to get back together. जब प्रियंका ने शाहिद की बर्थडे पार्टी को किया मिस, तो लोग समझ गए कि स्टोरी में फिर से आ गया है ट्विस्ट. They had broken up all over again for the nth number of time. अब after 2 months they were spotted by the media. जब ये दोनों देर रात तक एक बाइक राइड के लिए गए थे. Seriously, this on and off couple is super confused. ऐसी सिचुएशन में इनका कपल होना एडमिट ना करना ही अच्छा है, क्योंकि क्या पता कल उनके ब्रेकअप की खबर फिर से हो जाए ट्रिगर, and in the process they might just make a big fool of themselves. Looks like they're just saving themselves from embarrassment by not declaring their commitment. सलमान और कटरीना कैफ थे कई साल एक साथ, लेकिन कभी मीडिया के सामने नहीं लाए अपने दिल की बात। After years of going steady, लोगों को लगा कि जब अब सल्लू और कैट का relationship has stood the test of time, they will admit to being in a serious relationship. But unfortunately, मीडिया को देखना पड़ा the darker side, as even before they could publicly declare their love, सलमान जो पहले करते थे अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को recommend to every big director, अब करने लगे हैं कटरीना को हर मूवी से हटाने का attempt. Looks like the bitter bug of love hasn't left any fond memories of the relationship they never admitted to. Heartbroken Deepika found solace in Siddharth Malia's company, और फिर Cupid struck here too. Deepika मीडिया के सामने अपने rich और handsome so-called friend को boyfriend का status नहीं देना चाहती. जब वो रणवीर को डेट कर रही थी, she openly accepted him as her beau. लेकिन इस open declaration का D को heavy price pay करना पड़ा. Media left no stone unturned in giving minute details about her breakup with Ranbir. इसलिए अपने past experience से सीखकर Deepika and Siddharth ने अपने relationship को under the wraps रखकर avoid की है possible controversies. But will controversies leave her? क्योंकि D and Sid seem to be so comfy with each other कि at private parties, away from the camera, they sit with their hands on each other's thighs और अपने affection को दिखाते हैं with such gestures. Deepika की strategy of hiding things is not working क्योंकि अभी भी media is reporting the smallest detail of her and Siddharth's romance. मीडिया शाय कपल रानी मुखर्जी और आदित्य चोपड़ा प्रेफर नहीं करते अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ को डिस्कस करना, और इसलिए अपने ओल्ड रोमांस की बात कभी खुद मीडिया को नहीं बताते. पहले आदित्य एंड रानी हैड अ रीजन टू हाइड इट, क्योंकि आदित्य दे रहे थे अपनी वाइफ हु वाज हिज चाइल्डहुड स्वीटहार्ट पायल को डिवोर्स, एंड रानी डिडंट वांट एनीवन टू नो द रीजन बिहाइंड आदित्य's failed marriage. लेकिन अब आफ्टर सो मेनी इयर्स वी डोंट नो द रीजन फॉर देम टू रिमेन सो hush hush about it. चोरी चोरी चुपके चुपके. रानी even planned a trip to Rome for a belated celebration of her birthday with Aditya. So maybe they will come up with a big declaration of their marriage itself. Let's wait and watch. Hopping from woman to woman, Ranbir Kapoor has set his eyes on Katrina. लेकिन अपने romantic रिश्ते को public करना है a far-fetched thing for this hot and spicy couple. इतना confusing है रणबीर की love life को assess करना, क्योंकि इस कपूर बॉय को commitment के नाम पर हो जाता है fever. इसलिए कभी नरगिस फकरी तो कभी Katrina are in his chick list. So who is he dating? He himself is so uncertain that it is better that he makes no declaration to spoil his image further. Kate Kiasher, Page 3, Zoo. Why is it that our lovebirds in the industry are not very open about it?
No, there are some who are open and then there are some who are not. So which ones are you talking about?
For now, it's Anushka and Ranveer. I don't know what's going on with them.
Of course, there is something going on between them. And let her say Ranbir Kapoor or whatever it is. I feel that Anushka and Ranbir, they were probably not ready first. The relationship was new. And then suddenly, they became so successful with this movie. Probably they're scared of being typecast. And in case people accept them as an off-screen couple, शायद on-screen पर अनुष्का को दूसरे roles ना मिले with other heroes or something. She's probably scared of that. And trying to keep it under wraps, and then of course Ranbir Kapoor के साथ star status थोड़ा बढ़ेगा, तो why not keep people guessing and keep the rumors going?
But how is it under wraps when you sit there and smooch someone?
Well, they didn't do it in front of the camera, तो अगर एक दो नींबू पानी पी के उनको नींबू जूस चढ़ गया and they've done it, हम क्या कर सकते हैं?
And what about Priyanka and Shahid?
If they know what's happening between them, they let other people know. So just leave them alone. They seriously need to go to Love Shrinks as much as they can. And they need to spend all the time they have on the couch with as many shrinks as they can.
What about the couple that kind of knows but still doesn't say it? Deepika and Siddharth.
I think Deepika learned the hard way. She was very open even about Ranbir. It's not like she was complaining because she herself was spilling out the beans about him cheating and all about his condoms and everything. We all know that thanks to Deepika. I think it's probably, she just wants to keep people guessing. She's very open about it. So you have pictures of them very comfortable and it's very obvious they're a couple. Why are they going out so much? But at the same time, she's very mysterious and she's just keeping that mystery going for now. You know, is it Ranbir? Is it Sid? Is it somebody else? But of course it's Sid. And if it's Sid, then अगर उन्होंने हाँ बोल दिया तो उसके बाद nobody will be interested.
Well, Simi, thank you so much for all the chatpata news as always.
My pleasure always.